Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing what am I talking about? We're going to be doing the flawless foundation routine. I'm going to talk you guys through some of my favorite products to use when I want to look absolutely dashing darling. So if that is something that you're interested in, then please keep on watching. So the first product I'm going to use is the CoverFx blurring primer. This is one of my favorite primers to use. It is a nice thick putty type consistency, and I have really large pores, and what I should be using is my serum. So skincare also I don't want to say constitutes, because I don't know if that makes sense, but skincare matters when, you know, working with your skin. I was using a number 7, so the brand number 7 pore minimizing serum for at least a year, and my pores were visibly like gone. So I would use it morning and night, and just apply it just normally after I wash my face before I moisturize, so the serum goes kind of like right in between, and my pores were amazing. So applying a pore filling primer didn't really matter because I didn't really have pores, and I haven't used that in like a year, and my pores are there. Can't really see them now, but they're there, y'all. So for foundation, I'm going to mix 2 shades. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Absolutely love this foundation. I'm mixing Deep Sable right here with a little bit of Mocha, just because I'm a little bit darker and a little bit more warm in shade. So I'm going to apply like 2 pumps of Mocha to 2 parts of Deep Sable, and then just blend the 2 together with a brush on the back of my hand. And I don't know if you guys have seen my like favorite foundation video, and I know some of you guys were like, it's so unfortunate that you have to mix shades. It really is, you guys. It really sucks because you want to be able to use these foundations and shades and everything like that, and they don't really match your skin tone, and you have to go in with multiple ones, and you have to buy a lot. And I've seen some of you ladies say, you know, if it doesn't match my skin tone, I'm not buying it, and I don't fucking blame you, because why should we give these companies more money when they can't match our damn skin tone shades to begin with, you know? So I definitely see both points, both sides. I was personally given these foundations from NYX, so I didn't have to shell out shell out for 2 different shades, but I would definitely have been taking shades back to try to figure out which one I could get away with using by itself. And then when it came around to the summertime or the wintertime, trying to find something that matches me at that point in time. So definitely get what y'all mean. I definitely get it. I'm going to apply a little bit more of Mocha, just a teensy bit more, just because I feel like it's a little too golden light for me. Yeah, just applying a little bit more of Mocha. And I have to blend this all the way down my neck because I have a little bit of darkness, because I get my hairs. My grandma cursed me, okay? I have problematic hair down here. I don't know if I know my mom and my grandma both have it, but I don't know if I received it prematurely because I got on birth control. I don't know, but I get hairs all here, and then like underneath of here. So I either have to pluck or have my eyebrow lady thread them or do something like that. Okay, you guys, so my all-time favorite concealer to apply to look snatched is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I usually mix 2 of these, but someone mentioned in my last video that my concealer looked bad. In my foundation video, it was too bright, so I think I'll just go in with dark 46 today and see how I like that. I usually go in with dark 42 as well, and I'll mix the 2, but I'll try to just use 1 today. Of course, I'm gonna just blend that out with my beauty blender. You guys, I leave for Hawaii tomorrow, and I am just stressed out. My alarm just went off for when I was supposed to be waking up because I couldn't sleep last night, and I didn't take any Benadryl, I didn't take any melatonin, I didn't take anything because I was honestly bone tired to the point where I was falling asleep at my computer. But by the time I got in the bed and started to lay down, I was wide awake and I couldn't go to sleep, so I had to play. I listened to Neil Morrison. He's a composer, and Yo-Yo Ma is a celloist, and I listened to Yo-Yo Ma with Yo-Yo Ma playing Ennio Morricone. So I listened to Ennio Morricone's album, but it's Yo-Yo Ma playing, and that usually lulls me to sleep, and it did after a good minute, but I had to listen to that to finally get to sleep because I was not getting to sleep, and it was so annoying. And then I woke up at 8 o'clock this morning because my brain wouldn't shut up, so I'm just like all over the place. I have an appointment, I have a phone that was supposed to be coming in today because I'm leaving tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning, and that hasn't come in yet, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So to set that down, I'm going to take the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder. This is in the shade Banana, and I am going to bake it a little bit just so I get that really flawless look, and mainly take that underneath. This is the Sacha blush in Barely Plum with my Jaclyn Hill JH04 brush. And I have to be careful with this blush because the darker I get, the more it looks like too pink. So I have to be careful with how much I apply because I can get really crazy when it comes to blush. And I know a lot of black women don't like blush. I don't know why they don't like blush, but blush is just